Hey guys, it's Zach! So a couple months ago, I tweeted that I wanted to start doing tech reviews and that my first review would be of my Apple Watch Series 4, which you can't buy anymore, but you'd wish you could.
Check out Zach's other timely reviews. Sega 32X, Blockbuster Movie Pass, Pioneer LG S9 laser displayer.
But then Apple reached out to me and were like, hey Zach, why don't we send you the Apple Watch Series 6? We'll send you a review unit so you can stop taunting people with a product that they can't buy. And I was like, well, that sounds way less funny, but okay. So this is the unboxing video of the Apple Watch Series 6, and the full review is coming next week. Can I do this with my fingernails? No, instead of cutting, I'm just gonna use this in a stabby motion. Ooh, that's not the safe way to do things at all. So you're probably saying, you know, Zach, when I buy an Apple Watch, it's not gonna come in one of these big cardboard boxes. And I say to you, yes, I'm wasting your time on purpose. I feel like I'm getting a little too overzealous because I'm trying to show off for the camera and I'm just gonna wind up stabbing myself with scissors. I think I gotta go in again. Ooh, is that too far? Did I stab the watch? If I start with the edge, that'll be better.
Have you ever opened a box before?
I've opened several boxes.
Open up the scissors.
No, open up the scissors. Like this? Okay, I see. This is not what I've done in the past. Oh no. It's packed really well. There we go. Ooh, I can see it. Let's see if that did anything. Can we get a beauty shot of this? So now I gotta get through this plastic. I think I can use my claws for this. So this is the watch itself. See? It's in a beautiful white box. With the hard part over, I'm feeling pretty confident about opening the actual Apple Watch box. Huh. Oh, it's upside down. Hold on. I said, are you getting all the, does it look great? Can I do it this way? Did they? Oh! They thoughtfully put a tab where you could just undo the plastic. Did these tabs do something? Oh. Oh! Oh. Okay. All right. Okay. Now. Oh, okay. Oh, feels good. I think this is just another piece of plastic. I'm like, where's the watch face? Comes in a little sleeve. Oh, you just push. It's telling you how to use the watch. And this I'm really excited about. This is the Solo Loop. It's a watch band that I can just slide on, and apparently it fits right to your wrist. You have to measure your wrist to get the right size Solo Loop. And Solo Loop, incidentally, is also what I call my dating life. What we should do is just get the band out. Let's get the band back together, right? They had such a nice, easy little thing on the other one. Oh, is it up here? Is it this edge? Yeah, it is. I did it. I feel like it should have done. Oh, okay. Wow. Ooh, isn't that a satisfying whatever that is? Ah. It's almost like a fruit roll-up. Okay, where'd the watch go? I lost the watch. Here it is. Let's see if I can. Ooh, I did it. It's a slide. Oh! I'm interested if this Solo Loop is actually going to fit around my hands, because while my wrists, I think, are average size, my hands are very much like E.T., and my fingers are just kind of long and... How would you describe them, Brad?
long.
All right, let's see. How much does this solo loop stretch? Uh-oh. It's going to be... It's not going to pop off, is it? I wonder. Oh. It's upside down because I'm left-handed and I put it... Uh-oh. What did I do? I got to set it up, but I have to set it up upside down. I'm not taking this off. Oh, I got to put it on the charger. Low battery. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for the full review. I promise it's more organized and in-depth than this.